Hey everyone, today I've got a story that's as shocking as it is heartbreaking. Imagine being in your own home, minding your business, and suddenly you're confronted by armed police officers who mistake you for a criminal. That's exactly what happened to Senior Airman Roger Fortson, a black US Air Force member in Florida. Fortson was home alone, on a Facetime call with his girlfriend. There was some disturbance outside his apartment, so naturally he grabbed his legally owned firearm to protect himself. Little did he know deputies were responding to a call and somehow ended up at his door. The officers, without announcing themselves properly, burst into his apartment. Startled and defensive, Fortson held his gun downward, but it didn't matter. The deputies opened fire, shooting him multiple times. The fallout has been intense. Fortson's family, represented by civil rights attorney Ben Crump, is demanding justice and transparency. They're questioning why the deputies failed to correctly identify the apartment and why they entered so aggressively. This tragic mistake has brought up serious issues about law enforcement procedures and the use of deadly force, especially in situations involving black individuals. The Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office has placed the deputy on administrative leave while the Florida Department of Law Enforcement conducts an investigation. But the community is not satisfied with just that. They're calling for a thorough review of body camera footage and questioning the narrative provided by the authorities. The released footage shows Fortson opening the door with his gun pointed downward. The deputies claim they acted in self-defense, but Fortson's family argues he was simply trying to protect himself from what he thought were intruders. This incident has reignited the debate about racial bias and excessive force in law enforcement. Ben Crump, known for representing families in high-profile police brutality cases, has called Fortson's death an unjustifiable killing. He, along with the public, is demanding accountability and significant reform to prevent such tragedies from happening again. As the investigation continues, one thing is clear. This devastating incident underscores the urgent need for change in law enforcement practices. It's a somber reminder of the consequences that arise when our protectors become a source of fear and tragedy. Thanks for listening, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.